Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ants. So today I will show you how to sign up your Gmail account from your YouTube application. And this method almost works on all Android mobile devices. And nowadays lots of people are worrying about their YouTube application because the sign out option is not visible on this application. So how to get this option in your Android mobile? So on here you can see, so these are my Gmail accounts are linked with this YouTube application. But unfortunately, that sign out option is not present in this section. And one and only way to get this option is you can once clear that application data like that it is. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, you can open your Android mobile settings. And in the settings section, you can locate application management or app section. But in my device, this section is renamed as install apps. So I try to locate it. And then click to open it. So and here you can see my applications are starts to loading. And in this section you can locate that YouTube application. So I try to scroll down and then click to open it. And in this app section it shows some settings. So here you can go to storage settings and then click to open it. So here it shows my entire application details. So you can click to clear all data. So by click to clear data option, and it is located at the bottom. So you can click to OK. So finally my application related histories are deleted successfully. So now you can close all these settings and then click to open your YouTube application. But here my Gmail account is automatically synced with this application. So now in this homepage section you can press that profile icon and it is located at the top of right side. And in this profile section you can press that arrow icon and it is placed followed by your profile name. So then it shows all my Gmail accounts. So finally in bottom I get to the option called sign out. So finally this method works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily sign up your Gmail account from your YouTube application. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Ants, and thanks for watching.